Oh wow, we got a good video today. This is week 6 in our weight loss journey, and I'm proud to tell you that I lost weight this week. Remember how I lost 10.1 pounds on my first week, and then for the next 3 weeks, I gained 2.1 pounds? Yeah, that 10.1 pounds was a blessing and a curse. If you're new here, check out week 1's weigh-in. It was like a party video. I had lost 10.1 pounds, and I was in total disbelief. In that video, I mentioned that I know a lot of that weight loss was water loss, but it still didn't prepare me for the following 3 weeks of weight gain. For 3 weeks, I was filled with anxiety and frustration. It was so bad that weeks 2 through 5, my videos were pretty negative. I rewatched those videos and I cringed. It was so bad that I wanted to quit every single day and wanted to even quit the channel. We all know how hard it is to lose weight, but to do it on YouTube, I was like, let's quit now before everyone sees how much of a loser you are. But I kept going for the 11 subscribers at week 2. At week 4, I gained some more weight, so I was really thinking of quitting, but at that time I had 29 subscribers, so I really had to keep going. Then week 5 rolled around, and I was preparing a video to say goodbye and calling it quits, but I had 54 subscribers. I didn't want to disappoint you all, so I kept going. Then last week, I hit 100 subscribers. I was like, wow! Even though I was failing, I was getting more of your support and encouragement. Plus, last week, I finally lost 0.7 pounds, the first weight loss in 3 weeks since losing that crazy 10.1 pounds. You know what's even crazier? It took 5 weeks for my channel to grow to 100 subscribers. To me, that's amazing. I know there are YouTubers with thousands to millions of subscribers, but here on my channel, I was only expecting maybe 10 to 15. But even crazier, this week we are at 194 subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your help and support. And here's the icing on the cake. Okay, cake? Let me say that again. And here's the icing on all the support that you have given me and to this channel. This week, I weigh in at 245 pounds. That's 1 pound on the nose. So that's a total loss of 9.7 pounds since we started this journey. I'm so glad I didn't quit. I'm so glad I didn't do what I usually do. Go hard the first week, then the following week, gain it all back. I know for a fact that if I wasn't doing this with all of you and struggling for 3 weeks of gaining weight, I definitely would have quit. But now we are 194 subscribers strong, and I am back on the wagon. Let's take a quick look at my Excel sheet. Okay, here's my fancy Excel sheet. As you can see, week 0, I was 254.7 pounds, so that was what I started off with. And then week 1, that 10.1 pounds, that was just absolutely amazing. But of course, that set me on a path where it was really hard to do, or at least replicate that first week. And not only didn't I replicate that first week, but week 2, 3, and 4, as you can see, I gained weight. And then finally last week, I lost 0.7 pounds, and then lost a pound this week. And right now we are at 9.7 pounds total loss. And here's the graph that's from that data there. And as you can see, that first week, I mean, that is just crazy. And you know, as much as I told myself that a lot of it was water weight and stuff, but again, I've said it was really hard to just mentally think about that and then go through this whole period where weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5, it was just so crazy. I mean, I just couldn't do it. And as you can see here, it actually says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is actually, we are actually in week 6, but the way this graph is done, it put week 7, well, my first weekend, as 254.7, which is like week 0 technically. Any case, this last week and today 246, 245. It's just been really, really fantastic, just kind of getting back onto that wagon. And as you see, I always have my little weekly goal. So next week, week 7, my goal is to lose 2 pounds and come in at 243. And I've lost 9.7 pounds and I have 85 pounds left to go. And as you can see, my target weight is 160 pounds. So that is the wrap up. Okay, last week I also said I have a major announcement. My announcement is on mental health. Throughout the last 6 weeks, my struggles to keep going wasn't physical. My body could walk 45 minutes a day. The hunger pains weren't terrible. I knew what I had to do, but it was the mental will to keep going. I spent a lot of time watching other weight loss journeys and transformations on YouTube, and I discovered that it's the battle of the mind more than the body. So next week and into the future, I will be discussing more of the mental health issues and struggles that overweight people like me have. I will be covering areas of addiction, procrastination, past history, environment, dopamine, and neurological behavioral habits that got us to be overweight and why it's so hard to lose weight. Stay tuned. I want to thank you for coming along with me. I hope that you will start your weight loss journey with me. Let me know how you are doing in the comments section. If you have enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, if you are new or need a refresher on my weight loss journey plan, please check out this video that goes into details of my plan linked on your screen somewhere. The link is also in the description. Again, thank you and have an amazing day.